get ready with me bago mag-training. Oh, andyan na si Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Oh. Ligo ka na. Para ano, matanggal yung mga buhok-buhok dyan. Ay, huwag yan, anak, huwag yan. Gusto mo, make-upan kita? Naku, wag, magagali daddy mo.
Peekaboo.
Sunscreen.
Peekaboo.
Yan po, gamit ko sunscreen.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Pika. Boo.
Hey.
This is clapping. Can you clap with me?
Will you clap with me? Clapping. Dito muna kayo, kain kayo dyan, ha? Si Kuya mo hindi mo nabilhan. Wala na kasi ako ibang coins. Paano kaya yan? Pointing to the star.
Pointing to the star. 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 Wow. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say mama's name? Can you say
yung butterfly.
Oh. Hindi ko makita yung isang headband eh. Oh, ba't umiiyak?
Biscuit sa'yo eh.
Bigyan mo din siya ng fudgy bar. Gusto niya rin yun eh. Tapos share din kayo dyan sa biscuit. Hati-hati lang, kapatid. O, ayan na. Bakit umiiyak na naman? Sige, hatian mo siya niyan. Kahit 1/4 lang sa kanya. Gusto kasi niya rin yan. Magkano ba yan? Isa? Kulang nga. Dapat dalawa. Magkukulang ka ng 2. Don't cry na.
blowing a kiss? Blowing a kiss.
Hay, magkape. Wala nang asukal, anak. Bibili ako mamaya. Hintay-hintay lang.
High five. High five. Great job. Does a shoe go on my head? No.
Okay, so ito yung binili ko kay Donna Bells.
Can you shake your head? No.
Ayan.
No.
Liquid foundation.
No.
So dati, gamit ko BB cream. Ngayon, mag-liquid foundation na tayo.
Shoes go on our feet. Shoes go on our feet.
Malabnaw pala siya. Yes, this is my first time.
How big is baby? So big. Can you do that? How big is baby? So big. Yay.
After ng liquid foundation, dito naman tayo sa face powder. There. Faux color pink flash. Yeah. Pink flash, guys. Yeah. Kita nyo. So, ito natin. And we'll use my own face powder sponge.
Fingers are wiggling, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Fingers are wiggling, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Fingers are wiggling, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle your fingers, sweet baby. Eyes are hiding, peekaboo. Eyes are hiding, peekaboo. Eyes are hiding, peekaboo. Peekaboo, sweet baby.
Hey.
Puppy.
Yan. Faux color.
Oh.
This is
Bye bye, puppy. Bye bye.
a product
Bye
by Donna Bells. Lahat ng mga products ko ngayon galing kay Donna Bells. Binibenta niya po mga makeup and skincare products. So, ito Ito na.
What's inside?
Try na natin to siya.
Open. 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 Oh, wow. It's a ball. Ball. Ball.
Higpit ah.
It's a red
Uy.
ball. Red
Shara-shara.
ball.
Oh, look at that.
Yay.
Oh. Oh.
Ball.
There you go.
Oh, it's bouncing.
Tama ba?
Bounce, bounce,
Ah.
bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Ganda.
Bounce.
Ang ganda niya. La. Teka nga. Excite ako. Wait lang. Diba?
Can you say that? Oh.
Okay, masyado ako na-excite.
Stinky.
Ayusin mo natin yung kilay natin.
Stinky.
Ito, nabili ko lang to sa Watson. Itong pang... Ay! Sorry, guys.
Smell.
Itong pang shape ng
It's a
kilay.
skunk. Wait.
Medyo okay naman na ako sa kilay ko. Ayoko nang dagdagan. Ayoko na rin bawasan.
Bye-bye,
Manipis na
skunk.
nga siya.
Bye-bye.
So, okay na yan. Okay na to.
Can you tap your fingers? Tap, tap,
Hmm.
tap,
Ngayon,
tap, tap.
mas maganda ata yung isang brush. Kasi hindi ko siya makita. Bakit nawawala?
Tap some words together.
Where is it?
Mama.
Ay, ito. Mas okay to gawing pang eyeshadow. Pag maliit lang. Ganito lang siya. Yan o. Masarap siyang ipahid sa taluka.
Such a great job with
So, ano pipiliin natin? Light brown na lang. Light brown.
I'm proud of you. Hi, guys.
Miss Rachel.
I have an idea. Let's go.
Tapos, yung bandang baba ng eyelids,
One, two, three.
medyo dark lang ng konti.
That's not right.
Okay.
Okay, you count.
So, ito yung kanina. Ito yung ginamit ko kanina. Tapos, ito naman yung gagamitin ko.
Let's try again.
This time, ito na ang gagamitin ko pang brush. Ito maliit. Pinahiram sa akin ni Mama. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa nasusuli kasi wala pa akong bago.
Yeah, please help.
Oh, medyo nag-dark.
Say up, say up, say. You said up and you were both
Huwag niyo ako i-judge, guys. Hindi naman talaga ako magaling mag-makeup. Gusto ko lang mag-makeup pag work. Parang it relieves stress and at the same time, I'm giving myself the chance to look good and feel good about myself. Okay na. Simple lang, dito lang ako sa bahay. Supposedly dapat gamit ko to pag work. Pero, yun nga. Since may bago tayong product, kailangan nating i-endorse products by Donna Bells. So, post ko na lang yung mga prices sa Facebook page ko. Abangan nyo. Okay na ba to? Bilisan mo na! Nako! Okay, so next would be blush. Blush on. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan. Tapos na tayo sa powder. Blush on naman. Ewan ko kung anong magiging kalabasan nito. Okay. Next is 7 na ba? 7 kasi yung training ko. So,
Nakunin mo na yung bata.
last would be the lip tint. Yan. Pink Flash pa din by Folklore, I think. I guess. Yes, Pink Flash. Yan. Product by Focalure. I don't know. Huh? Focalure. Iba ang Focalure sa Pink Flash. So, tingnan nyo na lang. Pero maganda to gamitin. Tingnan natin. Gamitin na natin. Solid, diba? Okay. Okay. We're all set. Let's go to our next stop. Training. Ready na for training. Okay. Tingnan natin ito kasi. Ha? Ay, bahaw. Ha? Bahaw. Di ba meron dyan? Wala na. Hinihingi ng bahaw ang bata. Okay guys, so I'm done. Tapos na po. Tapos na po ang ating get ready with me. Tanggalin ko na to.